Welcome to 108 Birch Drive here in Hammonton, and we have a brand new listing. And this is really near and dear to my heart, this neighborhood, because I live in this neighborhood. 108 Birch Drive is a Lancaster 2 model built by Tim Schaefer, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So let's do a little walkthrough. The Lancaster 2 is 3,008 square feet, so it's a big square footage. It's got a full basement, 4-bed, 2.5 bath, and the property is on Birch Drive, but the community is called Woodbridge. Come on in, let's take a look. This floor plan is classic Tim Schaefer. You have the open concept, big family room here, beautiful sight lines out to the pool in the backyard, gas log fireplace. We got this huge kitchen. Big dining room table can fit in here. Got your kitchen island, tons of cabinet space, up and down. You have a nice, large laundry room, which you don't find everywhere. So come out, let's check this out back here. Got this beautiful paver patio, encompasses the whole pool. Pool is 18 by 36. And it's got a newer pool heater. All that is in good shape. Full fenced yard, which is really, really nice. The 6-foot vinyl fencing all around. The dining room is big, could obviously fit a big china cabinet. You could fit a table here that could seat 8 to 10, no problem at all. This is a bonus room. You could use this as a recreational room, and the current owner uses this to show her prowess as a marathon runner. Got a half bath here, services the whole first floor. Let's go upstairs, check it out. What's awesome about this design, the Lancaster 2, you have this huge landing area and it feeds all 4 bedrooms. And you have this beautiful 6x6 plate glass window, lets in tons of sunshine in the morning. Here we got the master bedroom, huge, and it's upgraded with the tray ceilings, and it's got the recessed lights, which make it really, really nice. Here you got the his and the hers closets, and a big bathroom, double vanity sink, and you have the jetted jacuzzi tub that's really, really big, stand-up shower stall there. You got 3 more bedrooms to round it out here on the 2nd floor. Bedroom number 2, right here. Bedroom number 3, that measures about 14 by 12. You got a full bath here that services the 3 auxiliary bedrooms. And in here, you got the 4th bedroom that overlooks the backyard. You have a beautiful sight line to the pool. This is a really beautiful room. To recap all the amenities in this house on Birch Drive, it's got 4 beds, 2.5 baths. It's got a full basement. It's got the pool in the back with the paver patio. The pool is 18 by 36, and you have the curb and sidewalk and neighbors and families just enjoying the atmosphere in the Woodbridge community. The only thing that's missing is you, and the new family that moves into this property is going to absolutely love it. Make your appointment. This one's not going to last too long.